Okay, fam, listen up. If you're tired of playing freezer Jenga with ice trays, you're gonna love this. Meet the self-cleaning countertop automatic ice maker. This little genius brings ice miracles to your kitchen in style. Imagine a hot day, sweat on your brow, your drink begging for ice. Boom! The machine's got your back with fresh, smooth ice cubes. No more runny, slumpy mess from your tray, just perfectly sculpted, chill-inducing magic. Here's the kicker. Forget the hassle of bottle wrestling. This baby makes ice on demand. No more meltdowns on your watch. Plus, it cleans itself. Yeah, you heard it right. Say goodbye to funky odors and hello to cleanliness that lasts. Want options? You got 'em. Choose from standard cubes, crushed for your cocktails, or nugget ice if you're feeling fancy. It's like having your own ice artist on call. And can we talk about that display? Bright, clear, and user-friendly. Whether you're a tech whiz or not, your ice needs are met with a touch or tap. Connect via app if you're into that. This machine's got it all. So why are you still here? Click the link in the description, check it out, and upgrade your ice game today. Let's make melted ice trays a thing of the past together.